Hello, everyone. This is Marlon Carter out of Dallas, Texas, and welcome to my video. This video is about how you can get uh, everyday traffic to thousands of members in the Herculist Plus program. This is a program whereas if you are advertising any link or any site online, you can use for free. So, in order to get your links out there, in order to get more traffic to your website or your business opportunity, you want to get a Hercules Plus Pro account, whereas you can start mailing out to over 2,333 233,931 members. And this account that you can create today is free if you would like to join up. All you have to do is hit that sign up button right there, and it's going to take you to a page where you can create you an account. Okay, you put your first name here, your last name there, and where did you hear about us? And you can just say from an affiliate marketer, or you can say from Marlon. In other words, you can it's not mandatory, but anyway, upper and lowercase letters and numbers only, no spaces or special characters, and this will be your username. Username will be displayed in your affiliated link. So use the username that you will be familiar with, that you would use to promote uh, the Hercules Plus Safe List or Hercules Plus, you can call it surf programs or traffic exchange or whatever you want to call it. Your site will be seen once you get involved. And then you create a password. You re enter the password to make sure you got it right, and then you put a subscribe email right here. This is recommended. The Gmail account is recommended. And then you click right, you put a check right here. Say click to use the same email for both subscribe and main addresses. If you want to use both emails, then you click right there. And then this is your main email. It goes here. Gmail is recommended. And then you will put a different email here if you want a different email from your subscribe email. Okay, and then you click right here, and then it says I'm not a robot. That's to make sure that you you are a living person. Okay, once you create your account, let me go right here. Then you are able to log in. I think I'm already logged in. So all these are ads, and you can buy ads, different ads. You can get login ads. Let's click that and see what happens. This is popular. It says this is popular. When anyone log in, if you have purchased a login ad, which is called iBlast, they will see your ad. Try iBlast today and receive up to 2,000 extra free visitors to your website. So once you create an ad, an iBlast ad, then your site is going to be seen soon as people log on to Hercules. Your page, your website will be seen. Okay, we're going to go back over here. Let's go here. Let's go over here. That was the Hercules login ads. And that's real popular. They say our most popular ad package. 10 smart list submission, 1 Hercules submission, 1 mega mail submission, 2 22,000 buyer list submission. And it says buy now. and you can come over here and buy your ad. And this right here is $20. This is today's special, and you're getting 10 smart list submission, 13,300 each time. Herculist submission, 2,000 random subscribe emails each time. Mega mail submission, 7,000. And you get the gist of it. I'm not going to go through everything, but this is what you do once you get started. What I like about it, you can come directly over here. I'm looking at this too. You can come over here and look at the new video tutorial. And it's a submit daily email web ad. And just look at the tutorial and see what's going on. Let's click it right here. And it's going to come up. It's going to tell you how to use the site, gives you different tips on what to do. I like this part right here where it says add mailer up here. I click on add mailer and I go over here. It's every time you go to a different place, you're gonna see this. This site is man, it's real popular and it's awesome. I'm talking about Herculist Plus. It's real popular because people have been using it for years. I remember years ago I was using Herculist, and I'm gonna go over to add the add mailer. I'm gonna continue to add mailer. Okay, you got your power blurb ad over here. I'm gonna click out of that. This is where I submit my ad each and every day. Of course, I'm a gold member. I started off for free. Gold members, you get better benefits. Okay, we had the regular mailer, and then we have a credit mailer over here. I always use the regular mailer. I'm not gonna go through some creating an ad because I already have submitted previous ads. So I'm gonna resubmit a previous ad. I'm gonna go over here. See, another site came up. This is all about advertising. Hercules is great to advertise in. Okay, I'm going to continue to mail a history and see another power blurb over here. That's another ad. But this is my mailing history right here. These are ads I have mailed out. Okay, I'm going to just resubmit over here on the right side. If I want to use either one of these, I'm going to resubmit. I think I'll resubmit this ad right here. Okay, I go down to mailer, the regular mailer, and see my ad has come up. And all I have to do, the subject is already in there. The subject is in there, and my link is in there, my URL. And you can always test your URL. Let me test it to see if it works. And that's my ad right there. Okay. Now I go down, and I'm gonna submit my ad. Boom, it's gone. Ad successfully submitted to 233,936 members. So I'm going to go back to mailer and I'm going to go back to the front to just let you know this is working for me. You can advertise anything with the Hercules Plus to get your ad out to over 233,931 members. Just join up for free. Get you a free account, and then go in there and take the tour. When you begin, you take the tour and learn a little bit more about Hercules Plus. You will see a link at the bottom of this video. I am an affiliate, so you can join under me and you'll be a part of my team. All right. Talk to you soon. Have a wonderful day or night. I am the Elder Marlon Carter out of Dallas, Texas. Gospel preacher first, entrepreneur next. All right. Bye bye now.